Natalia Bonner. Happy Monday. All right, so every Monday I like to share a machine quilting video and hopefully inspire you on your own machine quilting journey. So I have a new series coming up soon. You can find all the details about this new series over on our website. But in it, I'm going to be showing you 99 different ways to machine quilt 2-inch strips. So tons and tons of machine quilting inspiration. The panel that I'm using to quilt these designs on, I actually had a few extra strips down here at the bottom of it. So I am just pushing myself to become more and more creative and filling these in with even more designs that you can use and quilt in 2-inch strips. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to free motion quilt this fun little flower design, and I think you'll find a bit of inspiration. Let's hop down here to my machine and let's get stitching. Okay, you can see over here I have stitched out a couple of those flowers already and I'm loving them. I'm going to just continue repeating those flowers as I go. So next, because I've quilted a little one here, I'm going to stitch a longer one of these flowers. I'll start out by stitching that base of the flower, the spine, the stem, that's the correct word. This one's going to go up probably just over an inch, and then from there we'll quilt the flower around the top of it. Let's do that. All right. So once I've stitched up that far, I'll curve over here to the right, add in a loop, and then come back down to where I started. Then I'll travel back down that stem, add in a little leaf, and then back down to the bottom. Then I'll travel across that ditch. You could use the ruler. I have pretty good control, so I just hand guided across that ditch. I'll move over probably about 1 inch, and this time I'm going to quilt one of the shorter flowers, and it won't have the leaf on that stem. So the same thing, but this time I'm traveling up probably only like half of an inch maybe. This is hand guided, so I'm okay if they're not perfect. I get kind of that organic look. And I'm just going to keep repeating that, working all the way across this strip. I love how that design is turning out. Those flowers are just so cute. So I'm going to keep repeating those, filling in that strip all the way across. Like I said, I do have an awesome new series coming where I'm going to be showing you 99 different ways to machine quilt 2-inch strips. Seriously, so much fun. I can't wait to share it with you. Like I said, you can find all the details, plus grab the companion design workbook over on our website. But before you head there, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will be back soon with another machine quilting video.